Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to see Mathematics Part 2nd Standard 9. Our first chapter is Basic Concepts in Geometry. What is mean by geometry? It is combination of two Greek words. First is geo. Geo means earth and second word is metria. Metria means measuring. So it becomes geometry. Geometry means measuring the earth. We know that what is the point, line, plane. You have already learned these concepts in previous classes. So here we will see the new concepts in geometry. First, coordinates of a point and distance. First of all, we will learn what is meant by coordinates of a point. So, the definition is the number associated with a point on the number line is called its coordinate. It means on the number line a number contains certain points and we give the name for that point. For example, here a number line. Point C is corresponding to the point -4. Right? So, I can say the coordinate of point C is -4. Whereas, coordinate of point D is 3 and so on. This is simply coordinates of a point. Now, how do we find the distance between two points using coordinates? So, distance between the 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. For example, here the same number line. If we have to find the distance between point E and point D, then first see the coordinates of point E and point D. So, see number line. Coordinate of point E is 5 and coordinate of point D is 3. So, we do is by subtracting smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. So, it will be 5 minus 3 because 5 is larger coordinate and 3 is smaller coordinate. Therefore, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore, the distance between E and D is 2. Similarly, we can find out distance between any two points. Now, note that the distance between two distinct points is non-negative. It means it is always positive real number because we cannot measure the distance in negative. And if two points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. It means two points are not distinct, then they are same. So, distance between them is 0. Now, next concept is betweenness. Betweenness means in between. We will understand this concept by taking example. Here is one line and on that line there are 3 points P, Q, R. They all are distinct point and collinear points. We see the position of the 3 point. We have 3 possibilities. First is point Q is between P and R as shown in figure. That is, Q lies between P and R. And symbolically, it is written in this way. Now, second possibility is point R is between point P and point Q. As we can see in the figure, so R lies between P and Q. Symbolically, it is written in this way. And last possibility is point P is between point R and point Q. Means point P lies between point R and Q, and symbolically it is written in this way. Now here is the figure of collinear points. Point P, Q, R are collinear points. If we add the distance between point P and Q and R, then we get the distance PR. Then we can say that point Q is between point P and R, and betweenness is shown as in this way. Now we will see some examples related to these concepts. First example is, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance AB. First, x equal to -3 and y equal to 7. Here value of x and y are given, means coordinate of A and B are given, and we have to find distance AB. So let's start. First write down given terms. Given that coordinate of point A is x and value of x is -3. Therefore, coordinate of point A is x equal to -3. -3. Then second, coordinate of point B is y and the value of y is 7. Therefore, coordinate of point B is y equal to 7. Here 7 is greater than -3. 7 is greater than -3. Now we have to find distance AB. You know that the distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. Here smaller coordinate is -3 and larger coordinate is 7. Therefore, here we subtract -3 from 7. Therefore, distance AB equal to 7 minus of -3. Then, which is equals to 7. Minus plus. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, distance AB equal to 10. Now see second example. Here value of x is -3 and value of y is -6, and we have to find distance AB. So first write down given terms. Here coordinate of point A is x and value of x is -3. Therefore write down here coordinate of point A is x equal to -3 and coordinate of point B is y and value of y is -6. Therefore we can write coordinate of point B is y, which is equal to -6. Here -3 is greater than -6. -3 is greater than -6 means coordinate of point A is greater than coordinate of point B. Now find distance AB. Distance AB is calculated by subtracting smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. Therefore, we subtract -6 from -3. -3 minus of -6, which is equal to -3 minus get plus 6. -3 plus 6 is 3. Therefore, distance AB equal to 3. Let's see second example. Second example is on a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AC equal to 10, distance CB equal to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. See solution. When you write solution of given example, first you write given terms in that examples. Here given terms are distance AC equal to 10, distance CB equal to 8. First possibility is C lies between A and B. On that number line, C lies between A and B. This is number line and here C lies between point A and point B. Now we have to find distance AB. Distance AB is what? This distance plus this distance, means distance AB equal to distance AC plus distance CB. You know that distance AC is what? 10. So write down here 10 plus distance CB is what? 8. So here write down 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Means when C lies between A and B, then distance AB equal to what? 18. Now see second possibility. Second possibility is what? B lies between point A and C. Means this is number line and B lies between point A and C in this way. Here you can see that point B lies between point A and point C. These 3 points are collinear points. Now we have to find distance AB. Here distance AB plus distance BC is what? Distance AC. So here we write down distance AB plus distance BC equal to distance AC. Then substitute values. Distance AB plus distance BC is what? 8 equal to distance AC is what? 10. We have to find distance AB. Write down distance AB as it is, equal to 10 minus 8. Therefore, distance AB equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. Means when B lies between A and C, then distance AB equal to 2. Therefore, distance AB is what? Distance AB equal to 18 or 2. Now see third example. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Given that distance PR equal to 7, distance PQ equal to 10 and distance QR equal to 3. Here we have to identify given 3 points are collinear or not. Addition and subtraction is only possible if the points are collinear. If the points are non-collinear, they do not lie on the line, then we cannot find the exact distance. So now we look into how to identify whether 3 points are collinear or not. Come to example. Here given that distance PR equal to 7, distance PQ equal to 10 and distance QR equal to 3. Means length of segment PR equal to 7, length of segment PQ is 10 and length of segment QR is 3. First we identify smaller segments. Now the two smaller segments are PR and QR. Remember, here R is common point. When we add these two segments, means distance PR plus distance QR, then we get 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10. That is distance PR plus distance RQ equal to 10. Right? Now this measurement is equal to the larger segment S. It is equal to the larger segment. Means distance PQ equal to 10. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get distance PR plus distance RQ equal to distance PQ. So we can say that point P, R and Q are collinear. Means point R lies between points P and Q. That is P, R, Q or Q, R, P. This is how we represent the answer. Okay. Now see second example of similar type. Here distance RS equal to 8, distance ST equal to 6 and distance RT equal to 4. Means length of segment RS is 8, length of segment ST is 6 and length of segment RT equal to 4. In solution, first we have write down given terms. So first we write down distance RS equal to 8, distance ST equal to 6 and distance RT equal to 4. Similar way, we first identify the smaller segments. Here smaller segments are what? Segment ST and segment RT. So first we add these two smaller segments. Therefore distance ST plus distance RT equal to what? 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Distance RS equal to what? 8. Means length of larger segment is 8. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that distance ST plus distance RT not equal to distance RS. Therefore point RS and T are not collinear. In this way you can solve practice set 1.1. I hope you understand coordinates of points, distance and betweenness. Thank you.